Hello, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. Happy Father's Day for all you dads out there. Today is Father's Day, June the 18th. I'm sorry, June the 18th, 2023, at 9:40 in the morning. Just got through eating breakfast at Farmer's Family Restaurant with my brother. He treated me to breakfast this morning because I'm poor. I ain't got no money coming in yet, so graciously he brought my breakfast this morning. So, like I said before, for all you dads out there, happy Father's Day. And if your dad's not with us, I know you miss him. Just remember him in a good way, as I did mine. I made a tribute video for my dad. I'll put a card right here. I've already posted it already this morning. Well, I had it scheduled for 12:01 a.m. on Father's Day morning. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll put a card up here or at the end or whatever if you want to take a gander at it. Well, I'm getting geared up for VAMM 23. I was fortunate enough to get a Amazon gift card. So I've already ordered stuff for the trailer, the anchor points and the trailer stabilizers and a lock set for the hitch and pin and chain and all that good stuff. So it should be in either today or tomorrow. And Tuesday or Wednesday of this week, I will go down and pick up the trailer. And then I will install the anchor points and the trailer stabilizers there. I'll show you some pictures here of what I'm getting. Those are priorities to get before I load the spider in there. So, and I also got some of these shocks from Harbor Freight. So they will do in the meantime until I get some other shocks that I'm going to put inside the trailer. You got to cut out a thing and it folds down. I'll show you a picture right here as well. But everything is starting to come together. And we finally got our handrails put up. I put the pictures on Facebook, but I'll put the pictures here as well. We got them for the front and for the garage. The back door, where the ramp was, that's not a real high priority because before the ramp, we hardly ever used that door to begin with. We always went down the garage steps, or if somebody come up to the house that, you know, didn't know us or whatever, they'll come up to the front door. And I'm glad we got them for the little trick-or-treaters coming in October, because I was always scared that they would fall off the porch, land to a bush, and sue us. I'm sorry, but that's the way it is nowadays. It's a sue-happy country, so at least, you know, we've made safeguards against that, like it was going to help anyway. Well, we finally got those up, and it's gonna take some getting used to, because I'll look out the front window and see something, a black rail or something on the porch that I'm not used to seeing, and oh, what's that? And, oh yeah, I see. So I'm glad that's squared away. And I have done some rethinking on the parking situation at Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda there. So I was parking the truck right up there by the phone pole and just weaseling the spider out. But I think it's going to be a lot better if I just use the spider on the gravel and park the truck back where I used to park it years ago when I had the scoop. So that'll free up some space. And my wife made a good point, Mrs. Cowboy. She said, well, if the bike is parked there, then people will have more room to open their door and stuff without hitting the truck and everything, which is a valid point. So I think we're going to just leave it there. And I know, before the comments start rolling, I know that rocks and spiders don't play well together because of the threat of rocks getting into that drive belt. But no worries, I'll go really, really, really slow. So I think that's going to work out very well for us. So, well, that's all I got for right now. So I'll let you guys and gals know if something comes up or whatever. Less than a month. So I think, yeah, it's less than a month to VAMM. VAMM 23, so I'm really, really looking forward to that. My plan is to get up early in the morning on the 13th, about 4, head on out and try to beat the Nashville traffic, and that'll give me some time to let the Knoxville traffic get out of the way at lunch and be up at the Super 8. Go ahead and check in. I think they're having a cruise in at Sonic on that Thursday. Or maybe Friday, I forget. Anyway, to get up there and start meeting some people. Finally put the face to the video, shake their hand and try to pick their pocket. No. Just shake their hand and say hello. It looks like we got the BRC class over at the Harley-Davidson dealership this morning. So that's it. That's all I got. So, the end. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Wishing all the dads out there a happy Father's Day to you and yours. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.